and welcome back to Brooklyn Road. We've made a few alterations, as you'll see later on, and also I put the camera on the Warwell wagon and sent it around. That was interesting. A few bits are buckled in the May sun, but we'll sort that out. Hope you enjoy. That's the Hornbury garage. So we'll put a fence in between the rail and all that, and that'd be my sort of bus garage. And this bit you've seen before. There's no alteration really there. So this end now has become a fuel depot. Got to put the lights in properly, but they will light up. The scale model scenery kits have been built up. You see they look quite nice. One's already built up, but managed to acquire another one. And the bridge has been done. It looks quite nice. And my wife's built this bridge. And then we have our Metcalfe factory outlet there. So what was the TMD is now a storage area, I suppose, for all the rolling stock. But we turned it into something nice, and I'll show you where the TMD is going to go in a minute. But we got our yard lamps in, they're working, and they're not on at the moment. And we put our signals back in, but they need sticking in, but they are working, as you can see by that red light. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later on.